We got a 2018 Kia Stinger key fob here. I'm going to show you how to open it up to replace the battery. So if we look at the button side here, towards the bottom there's a button. This releases the emergency key. If you press and hold it down, you can pull it out. Now turn the remote over where the button's on the left side. Get yourself a small flathead screwdriver. And we're going to use this to split the remote open. And there's like a piece of plastic that's sticking out in the middle right here. You want to put the screwdriver above that, okay? And you're going to give it a prying motion like this. Okay. And that will take the top or the back case off. Once you get that off, you can slide the battery out right here. All right, show you what size the battery is. Battery is a CR 2025, positive sign facing out towards you. And we just slide it back in, just like that. If you need a battery, check the description box. I have a link that takes you to Amazon where you get some batteries if you need some. And then we just get the cover, lock it on, start at the top, work your way down. Emergency key goes back in, and you're all done.